Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. So we were in Hita just yesterday and now we're in beautiful Yufuin. Basically yesterday morning we checked out of our old Airbnb, went to go pick up my mom and my grandma. Hey! Nanay! Hi mom! Hi. You guys okay?
Okay.
Hi Nanay! Welcome to Japan!
Yeah.
Well, we managed to fit everyone here in one car.
With all our
Except
luggages.
Dalton always looks so tiny.
I have international access.
We got Nanay, we got Mommy, the whole LA gang is here. Last night we stayed in a beautiful, almost ryokan style, basically a Japanese Airbnb. They had like the tatami mat.
Yeah, this is
Wow!
Ang ganda.
Hey, there's another bed over there.
There is. There's a bed.
Oh, snap.
our own onsen.
Oh, nice. This is just nice.
Yeah, oh, the steam is coming up.
Yeah, it's nice.
And then we also had this huge, warm, natural outdoor outspring where all of us basically went in at least 3 times throughout the last 12 hours, and now we've checked out. Just a little while ago we went to this this village. Totally did not look Japanese, it was more European kind of. You need to stand
Right here?
Yeah.
Under the Studio Ghibli sign?
Yeah.
I can't. You wanna?
Be shorter. Just be shorter.
Yeah. Just be shorter.
Japan, you're totally not Japan friendly. Japan is not tall friendly for sure. We ended up going to a cat cafe. It was my first cat cafe ever. I've never been to a cat cafe. And took my grandma and my mom. Didn't think that my grandma would have a good time, but she was playing with the cats.
Also, that means we're just over it.
And then we went over to the owl exhibit where you can kind of walk around and then pet different kind of species of owls. That was super cool. You kind of notice some owls from the Harry Potter movies. Oh, sorry. Okay, you bow, Norville. Maybe. Oh, there! Okay, do it again.
It kind of talks a little bit.
Yeah. And now we are kind of hungry. And we're walking down the village, stop by a quick yakitori place for a quick snack, and then we'll make our way a little bit further down this road. And hopefully we find some really good food out here. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this, but last night we had some A5 Wagyu. That was probably one of the highlights of this trip so far, because I'm a big meat eater. Had different varieties of A5 Wagyu. Anyway, all I can think about and talk about is food, really. But